A few years ago, a young man sent me a message. He had just bought one of my online courses, about 5,000 naira at the time, and he was not satisfied because when he bought the course, he thought he was going to make money immediately. So he actually sent me a message to insult me, but somehow, thank God he didn't insult me, but he was asking questions. So he asked the right question, and I gave him an answer. I showed him exactly what he needs to do in order to implement the things he had learned from my course. Listen to me, in 30 days, this boy generated double of what took him 4 years to save by doing manual labor. In the last 2 years, he has used that singular skill he learned from me to generate over 100 million in income. Now, what did I teach him and how was he able to get it done? I'd like to share deeper into his story with you in a simple presentation that I've prepared that I'd like you to watch for free. All you need to do is just click the button around this video and get to watch that presentation. I'm waiting for you on the inside.